A day after scores of protesting students attempted to march towards the Raj Bhavan, Manipur Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya left from Imphal for Guwahati. On Tuesday evening, protesting students and other locals who attempted to march towards the Raj Bhavan were met with tear gas shells, injuring at least 40 students. In order to quell the protest, a battalion of the Assam Rifles was stationed outside Raj Bhavan. Meanwhile, Inner Manipur MP Angojma Bimol wrote to Home Ministry seeking their intervention. In fact, in his letter, the minister compared the situation in Manipur with that during 1947's partition, highlighting the deadly turn that the violence has taken with the advent of drones and missiles. The leader, in his 10-point demand, urged the centre to ensure security forces act judiciously and probe charges of involvement of illegal migrants, among others. Amid an increase in instances of violence in the strife-torn state of Manipur, the government has snapped into net for the next 5 days in 5 districts over the fears of social media misuse. The Manipur University, meanwhile, has postponed all exams scheduled for various undergraduate and postgraduate programs due to the current situation in Manipur until further notice. To get a better sense of the situation on the ground, listen in to this report filed by my colleague Priyank Tripathi.
See, yesterday the students came out near Raj Bhavan after giving the ultimatum that they would protest once again once the 24 hours ultimatum time period will end. But since the governor has left Imphal early in the morning, we don't see that there would be further protests by the students because there was a key demand that they wanted to meet the governor. The basic issue is that when the Chief Minister of the state met the governor with a memorandum which was suggesting that the central forces should be removed and there should be a unified command in the hand of the state government, the student thought that it is the governor who can fulfill their demand, and that's why they came out. Although we know it for the fact that the state government and the centre also are from the same party, so the state government won't be in a difficulty to put forward their demand before the Home Ministry. But the political, backing to these students who came out on the streets and heavy tear shells being lobbed on them made this issue more complex, because of which the governor had to leave from Imphal, and now he has gone back to Guwahati because he's also the governor of the state of Assam. Right now there is internet ban which is there in the state, in the valley to be very precise, for the next few days. School, college activities have been shut down. If I may show you, this is a condition of the curfew where the only few vehicular movement has been allowed to happen after a proper check by the local police. But the vehicular movement is certainly not suggesting that there could not be further protests, which the government is fearing, because of which probably the government left Imphal because of security reasons.